So not. Why are you looking at me?
I'm waiting, man. What the fuck, bro? You dumb?
No.
He's coming.
Oh, so then why are you looking at me?
Oh, come on, man.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey, put it back. I got you on camera. Where the other ones from?
These mine.
They're yours from where?
Yeah. I had these when I came around.
Where's the label at?
There
The
is now. I just got them from somebody.
Alright, keep your hands to yourself.
Yes.
Do you have a bottle of water?
Excuse me?
A bottle of water.
Why are you at my door?
I'm thirsty.
Could you please get off my door?
Why?
Why are you at my door?
I'm thirsty.
Please remove yourself. Please get off my step before I call the police. Please get off before I call the police.
Back again with this unhinged lady. She really got some issues going on, but she's gonna get what she's asking for.
Open it. Open it.
I want pepper spray in your fucking face.
Because you're a pedophile and your man is too. And you...
Open the fucking door.
Talking about mothers.
Like bitch. Let him bring the fucking door.
What are you, Puerto Rican? I bet you are. You Dominican? You Spanish? You Spanish? Call him. Call him. Call him.
She's even rude to the pizza man who has nothing
Why are
to
you
do
taking a
with it.
picture of me?
You don't like that? You don't like me taking pictures of me?
Oh, why would you?
Because I want to. You stand in front of my door, so.
I'm standing in front of his door.
Oh, so not. Why are you looking at me?
I'm waiting, man. What the fuck, bro? You dumb?
No.
He's coming.
Oh, so then why are you looking at me?
Oh, come on, man.
Come inside. Come inside. Step inside. Step inside.
The pizza's here.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Can you step away from my door?
Pay for it.
Yo, she's harassing. It's a
Step away
harassing.
from my door.
Somebody call 911. Say please.
Step away from my
You're
door.
arresting. Move back.
Okay, yeah. Can you get away from my door? Why are you here?
Pay for your fucking pizza.
Get away from my door.
Pay for your Can you pizza. call 911?
I'm recording
You're
this.
recording.
Yes,
Thank
I'm recording this.
What are you? Okay.
So what? We ain't doing nothing to you. We ain't doing
Don't
nothing.
touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You're in my property. Get the fuck off.
Pay for the pizza.
Get off.
Pay for the pizza then. Why are you so scared?
How much is it?
Call 911. How much
She
is
knocked
the
it
pizza?
down
I'm gonna call
already.
the cops. Hold on.
How much is the pizza?
28?
28?
$40. How much?
Can you get the fuck out of my
How much
face?
is the pizza?
28.
$50.
Give me $2.
Sir, you've been recording, please. $500.
Hold it.
Somebody call 911, please.
Call 911.
$1,000.
Yo, boss, we're gonna have
Put
to
the
come
pizza
back
on the floor.
because
$1 million. Put the fucking pizza
She knocked the piece over. I'm trying to have it on camera.
Put
So
the
we're gonna
pizza
bring it
right
back.
Get out of here. Babe, call 911.
there. He's calling.
I know. That's why I know this one.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
You got their information? Yeah. Good. Good.
Be careful what you leave out on the porch. Scavengers are everywhere.
People thought they were faking shit, bro. Oh, this is dope. Let me see. Oh, this is dope.
Votes?
Listen.
Excuse me.
I have no t-shirt.
Excuse me.
Hi. Yes.
Hi. Are you guys with the
Yes,
charity?
charity everything.
Are you guys with the charity?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where's your truck?
Right here at the end of the street.
Why is it at the end of the street? Please get off.
Because we're
Please get off
going
my
around picking
porch.
up. That's what we'll
Please
do.
get off my porch and put everything that you
Yes,
took
ma'am.
back.
Yes, ma'am.
And put everything that you took back. Put that suitcase back. Stay off my
Yes.
porch.
Yes, ma'am.
The fuck?
Try to get your packages as early as possible, or check out your other options like PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations.
Help you. Hey, hey, I'm calling the police. I have your picture. You're a real dickhead and you're going on viral. Punk ass.
Yeah, come here for a minute. No, the lady that lives here, she said the alarm keeps going off. Some lady told me this, some alarm keeps going off. Huh? My name is Jose. That's what I'm saying. No, she told me to come and fix it. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna call her right now.
Always keep those doors locked. You never know these people's intentions.
¿Y por qué te lo
As
lleva?
always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Paquete que lo dejó y se lo llevó. O es de la casa de Freddy.
The pussycat was sitting down on the front step. Welcome, Master. What's kind of running? Panda, where are you? Jackson? Okay, so here's the situation. Your daughter's out being a cut. Where are you?
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and be safe out there.